Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Minnehaha County and southeastern South Dakota until 8:45 p.m. At 7:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Humboldt, or 7 miles east of Lake Vermillion State Recreation Area, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sioux Falls, Hartford, Wall Lake, and Ellis around 8 p.m. Crooks around 8:05 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Minnehaha, South Dakota,